Voices Through the Mist. Timeless quotes about waterfalls. It was the most magnificent spectacle I ever witnessed. The noise of the falling water was grand. Its voice spoke solemn music to the soul. A waterfall is nature's laughter. The river plunged in a white fury, foaming and chafing in wild freedom. Where the water comes down with such a rush that you feel the very mountain is alive. The water dances to the rhythm of the land. It falls a sheet of living crystal, wild yet calm in its eternity. Here was beauty unapproached and unapproachable. The spray rose like incense from a priestless altar. There the torrent leapt in strong exultation. The leap of the cataract stirred my soul. No poem can equal the song of a waterfall. Its voice was deep-toned thunder, softened by distance. The water sings the hymn of wildness. It crashes with a rhythm older than time. The cataract cuts a path through stone, not by strength, but by persistence. The whole cliff seems to tremble with its weight of falling light. The fall of waters is the oldest lullaby. It is a hymn of motion and mist. The soul that hears a waterfall is never quite the same again. Thank you for visiting Ageless Wisdom Quotes and Meditations. Please like and subscribe, and remember to make the most of each day.